Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Daily Halachah Spotlight brought to you by OTN. This is episode number 18 and we have another vacationer question. This fellow is staying near the beach on the East Coast and he's going to see the ocean. Hopefully it'll be tznius and won't be any pretzos there. And his shaila is, do you make a bracha when you see the Atlantic Ocean? So the answer is, yes you do. As long as you didn't see the ocean for 30 days, so on his vacation you don't make a bracha every day. That would just be the first time if you didn't see the Atlantic Ocean in a while. You will make a bracha. The question is, which bracha? The Shulchan Aruch says, when you see an ocean, you make a oisa ma'aseh berachah. If you see the Yam HaGadol, you make oisa hayam HaGadol. What is the Yam HaGadol? Says the Mechaber, the Mediterranean Sea. So according to the Mechaber, on the ocean, you would make oisa ma'aseh berachah. However, the Mishmur brings that many Achronim say differently. Many Achronim say that with regards to this context, Yam HaGadol is not the Mediterranean Sea. Yam HaGadol is the Atlantic Ocean, the large ocean. The Yam HaGadol is the Atlantic Ocean. And therefore, a person sees the Atlantic Ocean, according to the Mishabura, you make Oisa Yam HaGadol. It happens to be, the Mishabura says, to change it to Lashon Avar. He brings an alternative nusach to say She'asa es Yam HaGadol. Okay. But Lamaisa, according to the Mishabura, that's the bracha you should be making. And Taka, Ramesha, when he would go in the summer to Seagate, and he would see the Atlantic Ocean there, he would go to the beach at a time when no one else was there, so there wouldn't be any pretzos questions, and he would go ahead and make the bracha, She'asa es Hayam HaGadol. Lashon Avar, that's the nusach he would say once a summer, because once you see it, within 30 days, if it would be 30 days in between, you would make the bracha again, but apparently it wasn't there that long. But anyway, at least one time, he would go and make that bracha on the ocean. So yes, if you're traveling by the Atlantic Ocean and you see it, you should make the bracha, She'asa es Hayam HaGadol. If you're Sardik, then maybe you would follow the Mechaber and make oisa ma'aseh berachah. But if you follow the Mishabura and Ramesha, the bracha is She'asa es Hayam HaGadol. Hopefully everyone should be safe. All the best.